Hey guys, so today I'm here to unbox or unbag my Ipsy bag. I received it today in the morning, so I thought that I would just make a video of it and show you guys. So, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a subscription. You could subscribe and receive bags every month. They're $10 each month, or you can go ahead and do the yearly, which is I think $110 for the whole year, and you receive Ipsy bags every month. The way it works is you sign up, it takes your money out every first of the month, and you take a quiz, and according to your quiz answers, they will send you things that they think that apply to you so that you could try it. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna get to this. I took it out already. So first, you always get a little card. Today's theme is Swim into Beauty by Ipsy. And then in the back it has this. It always has the snap a photo, share it on social media, and tag your best friends so that you could win a 1-year subscription. I've never won. I've been curious to know if anybody has ever won, so let me know if you've won before. Okay, so here's the bag. Really cute. Doesn't say anything in the back. It feels like it's water resistant, but I don't know how water resistant it is. I have to try it. And of course, the Ipsy little zipper thingy bajingy. Alright, so let's start. Okay, first I have a SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Oil free. It's 0.25 fluid ounce. Looks like this. And I've always wanted to try this, so this is pretty cool. There, I got a little one. Next thing is a Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, Blackhead Extractor mask. Also 0.25 ounce. Looks like this. And next I got Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair, color safe, UV protection, 29.5 milliliters. So it looks like this. I've never tried these, so I don't know. I'll probably make a review out of it, or everything in this, because I've never tried any of the stuff that I got. And then I got a TréStique. It's really cute. I love this packaging. Look at this. How cute. Let me just open it. Oh. And it's like this. Really cute. Swatch it for you guys. Ooh. Ooh. It has glitter on it. I don't know if you could see the glitter. Probably not. Really cute. It's a mini shadow crayon. So, I love this little cap. Okay. Anyway. Last thing is a Shea Butter Lip Crayon in Sarah. And it looks like this. And let me take it out so I can swatch it. Okay. Looks like this. And ooh, Goes on nice and smooth too. It's this one. Very pretty. I have a lipstick just this color, just like this color, so probably could use it for underneath or something. Anyway, so that's all I received. Let me know what you received, if you liked your bag or not. I actually I recently retook the quiz because I haven't been receiving things that I like. So yeah, we'll see what I receive next month, and I'll let you guys know. Bye.